A very good afternoon to all. Now this is a OpManager installation part. First visit the OpManager download page and download the Windows setup. It takes time to download, so I have already downloaded. So go to the folder, download folder. As you see on the screen, the installer is ready. Right click the exe file as a run administrator and click next and click yes and also click the next button. And this is a port selection panel. STD port is by default 8060, HTTPS port is by default 8061, and NetFlow port 9996. You may be change this based on need. Uh, Click the next option. This is a registration portal, uh, or you can skip the setup. Now choose a database. I will select Postgres. Click the next button. And then finish to complete. This may take few minutes, please wait. Now, now you can type URL on browser. https colon slash localhost colon 8061 and enter. And click the advanced option and proceed to localhost. You can see that URL is open. After that, you can log in the default username password. You can type admin and password is admin. Click the login button. You can now discover it on your devices. Now installation part is completed. Thanks for watching.